Hello everyone, welcome back to Reefs. I know your favorite channel on YouTube. I'm back, I'm here. What's up guys? Today we're going to be talking about the top 5 best ways to make money on Instagram in 2020. Before we get started, I just wanted to say sorry if I seem a little bit tired or look a little bit tired in this video. I got 3 hours of sleep last night and it's also finals day in school, so I just got double whammied and I'm making this video, so it is what it is. And today we're going to be talking about the 5 best ways to make money on Instagram. Now before we get started again, I'm gonna need you guys to leave a like on this video because the Instagram algorithm loves it, and I also made my bed, so that's a great incentive for you to like it, right? Am I right? Am I right? Or am I right? Yes, I made my bed, so you definitely have to like it. I mean, that took me at least 30 seconds. Also, I've been looking at my analytics on YouTube, and I found out that only like 20% of you guys are subscribed. And that's not a percentage that I like. I do not like 20%. You know what I like to see? I like to see 100%. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you guys subscribe with the bell notification turned on so you never miss any of my videos. And you always get to see my face every other day, just telling you about things. With that being said, let's get straight into the list. Now, these are not in any particular order. And number 1 and number 5 are just different. They're not any better than each other. And I've kind of just made a list of like the best ways in general to make money on Instagram. And they all have their pros and cons, so let's get started. Number 5 is selling promotions to other pages and other people who want to buy promotion on your page to say like, go follow them or go check out their content. Now, these are not super profitable. Most of the time, you're not making a lot from these since it is someone else bargaining to pay you a certain amount for promotion, and you can't really charge that much, to be honest. It's different when a brand is asking you to promote a product versus a person telling you to promote a person or a page. Most of the time, people do not make a lot of money on this, but it is kind of a little side thing that you can offer and kind of make a little bit of side change. Now, one con to this is actually that people might see your page and promoting a bunch of people all the time, and they might unfollow or engage less in your content. So definitely be careful with this one. Make it minimal, maybe do only a few a month and not like really over promote someone or do that really often, because that is not really beneficial for your page. But number 5 is promotion for other people and people paying for promotion on your page. Number 4 is taking brand deals from companies. Now, this is a pretty often one among influencers like myself. We often take brand deals from companies that want to provide us like a t-shirt or a certain product to sell to our audience. These are very, very profitable, and most of the time you can charge a lot of money for these. Like, I know when I'm charging from a company, it's a lot. Like, I have 82,000 followers on Instagram, and I can expect to charge them $500 to $1,000 per product placement, and often they actually will give you the amount of money that you're asking for. Make sure you guys bargain for these deals, because they'll tend to short sell you to try to give you guys a product for free and say, oh, it's free, so therefore you should promote it for us. If you have a large following, take the free product, but also say that you also charge an additional fee for promoting the product, because oftentimes they just try to give you it for free and say promote it just because they give it to you for free. So that was number 4. That's promoting product placements. Number 3 is dropshipping. Who can make an Instagram money-making video without mentioning dropshipping? I mean, come on, it's 2020. This has been a thing for years, and it's very, very profitable if you can do it correctly. Now, people also fail often with this, and you kind of have to know what you're doing to actually be successful with dropshipping on Instagram. There's a lot of cons and there's a lot of pros to this. Make sure you guys know what you're doing, do your research, but if you can do it correctly, be able to really market the product and be able to choose the right product for you and for your audience, then you can actually be very profitable and make a lot of money dropshipping on Instagram. So that was number 3. Number 2 is selling courses and information. A lot of the time, your information and your knowledge is worth a lot more than you think. If you're able to sell a course on growing Instagram pages or growing YouTube channels, then you can actually make a lot. And a lot of people make pretty decent money doing this. You don't have to charge a lot for a course or an ebook, and you can make it yourself It doesn't take a super long time to make, and these are easily marketable, and a lot of the times people buy them because they want to know the knowledge. I mean, it just makes sense. If you want to know how to grow on Instagram, then you're either going to look up a YouTube video or you're going to buy a course. And if you can market a course to someone and they're willing to buy it, and you actually provide value and information and show that this information is valuable and growing on Instagram, then this is a very easy tool to make a lot of money on Instagram. That was number 2, selling information and courses. In the number 1 spot is promoting ads. This is where you find an app like the Plug app, which I will link down below, and some of you guys should use my referral code so you can get some free plug coins. And using these apps to promote a certain app, it's like a hub of apps where you get paid for each download that you actually bring to that app. So most of the time you promote an app like a fitness app and you say, oh, go download this, link in bio, and people will go to the bio, click the link, download the app, and you will get around $1 to $2 per download for it. This is very easy. There's no products. Most of the time the apps where you get these offers have already ads pre-made, so you just download them, click the link, put it in your bio, and then you post the ads, and then people just go straight from the ad to your bio, click it, and you get hundreds of dollars if you have thousands of followers on Instagram just from promoting an app. And then you can keep switching to different apps once your audience has already downloaded that certain app. And these also can go super viral. Like, I've had ads go super viral with 200,000 views where I've made thousands of dollars a month with 20,000 followers on Instagram. I'll put a tag to that video right here. Here it is. It's a video on how I made $2,000 a month with only 30,000 followers on Instagram using ads. This is absolutely my favorite way of making money on Instagram. Number 1 was promoting ads, like from apps like the Plug app. Anyways, thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my list. If you guys have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'm happy to answer every single comment. If you guys think I missed anything, leave it in the comments below, and I'll appreciate it a lot, and maybe I'll make a part 2. And anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, and if you're new here, subscribe. This has been Reefs, and peace out, YouTube.